Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, Life. I am Sarita. Am I looking at the right thing? I don't know. So I'm looking here. Hope I'm looking right. But hi guys. It's been a while. I think. Yeah, school has been. Yeah, that's where I've been. Between school, training with some new suppliers and vendors, and recouping from the 7-day cruise. It has just been, yeah. And my birthday's next month. God say the same. Next month. I'll be gracefully aging to another age. Gracefully. So yeah, and I'm ready to take these braids out, but it's just taking the part out. So I'm like, I don't know if I want to go get my front redone. I don't know. But welcome back to my channel. I have to show y'all something. Y'all know Valentine's Day just passed, and I have something on the way, a hot item that I passed on when I could have got it, and now it looks like I need it. So it's supposed to come by March, like mid-March. Crazy, but I'm patient. It's coming. But while checking on that, they had some things on that said newness. That's what it says on there. And I looked at an item and I was like, well, I just told my husband on the last cruise, I was like, I need some new specs. We'll say specs. And he was like, why you don't just get some? Yeah. So newness. Under newness, they had these, and there was a couple. So when I went in talking and looking at the other item, end up looking for these, and they weren't on the floor, so she couldn't find them, and she had to go to the back and get them. Well, first she asked, I guess that was a manager, because this location I don't usually go to, but she asked the manager, and she was like, well, it shows that we have one. Go look in the back. Brand new. They were still in like a brown box with the item information and all that, and she went and got them from the back, and I was like, well, that looks like them. I was skeptical at first, so let me show y'all what I got. I was very skeptical, but I've always wanted something, and now I love these. Like I'm very intentional this year with what I get. Something that I know I'm going to use, not just going to have it to hold it. And I'll be using this I used it the other day, and I'll be using it again next month for my birthday. I'll be using it that whole week. So this item is very intentional, very useful, and will be used very much so. So let's open it. Y'all know what that is? The blue box. You know what the blue box? Anyone knows what the blue box is? I don't know what that say. But this is the book that comes with it. That's it. That's all that's in there. I think the receipt. Yeah, the receipt's here. So, y'all, I was skeptical very much so until I saw them. Until I put them on. Because I tried on 5 other pair. Some were too heavy, some were just doing too much, and some were too gaudy. And let's do it this way. Y'all, I'm sorry about that ring light in it too. These are fabulous. Can't y'all see me wearing these? I'm trying to get out the ring light. Aren't they cute? And they fit my face perfect. Perfect. I'm trying not to be in the ring light. They have a little, I'm going to show y'all more, but look at that. Y'all, these are Fame something. I don't know. Let me see. I'm going to put it up somewhere on here, exactly what they are. They're $4.90, and they are Fame. I guess my Monogram Fame is what they are. It says MNG on here. So, but they're $4.90. They're newness, so they're new. But look at that, y'all. I'm gonna put some pictures. I'll put some pictures up right here, y'all. These fit perfect. I hate the ring light is on there. Okay, let me do it like this. Do y'all see that? They are so cute, and they're not heavy or anything. Y'all, look, that's the side. Very calm, quiet, very quiet. You see the, was that the little fleur-de-lis in the front? Yes, these are perfect, y'all. Oh my goodness, I hate that ring light. Let me go this way. Can y'all see that? Yes, they are perfect. These are the black ones. They have tortoise is the other color. And when she brought them out, she was like, I didn't even know anything about these. Well, now you do. And they coming home with me. No one tried them on. They were brand new in the box in the back. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. But look at that. And they're light. They're very light. You know how they have some of their glasses are heavy because they have those thick sides and everything. Not these, honey. These are perfect. So I finally added a pair that I'm going to love because I had the Obsession. I think it's the Obsession ones. Look, they're on the end. You can see on the end the little flower, and then on this side. So yeah, very cute, very, very light. Oh, I hate the ring light, y'all, but I'm trying to show y'all without that ring light doing this thing. And they come in a little dust bag. I thought they used to come with like a cleaning cloth, but I guess I'm wrong. I bought some. I said they were too gaudy. Well, Ty was saying this was about 4 or 5 years ago that they were too gaudy. I think I'm gonna have, if I have a picture, I'll put them up here. And it was just doing too much. And I bought another pair, and you know they have the European, I think, and then they have the something else. It's E and U, I think, or W and E, Eastern and Western or something like that. And you got to get the right kind that fit right here. I learned that from my expert client advisor, Tiffany, when she was in San Francisco. And I've not had a good pair. Well, I had one pair, but I lost them on a trip in Cancun. So somebody got them some good glasses, honey. Left them in Cancun. Somebody got them. Somebody, I didn't call and check on it because I wasn't calling Cancun once I got back. But yeah, I had a pair, but I'm glad I got these. These are, the price point is amazing. They fit super, super cute, and they're light. You know, you don't like no heavy glasses. They're light and they're cute. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Oh, and I'm waiting on something. A lot of y'all already have unboxed it. A lot of y'all influenced me to go and get what I did have ordered because I kept thinking, do I want to? And for the price that it was perfect. And I already have the smaller version of it. So I know y'all get what I'm saying now. And now I'm waiting. So I'm just like, okay, so it'll come anytime between now and the middle of March, close to the end of March. So it's fine. It's paid for. So now we just wait. But that's all I wanted to show y'all. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that button. It's free. A lot of y'all been asking a question about my weight loss. I have maintained my 52 pounds for the last year. Nothing gained, nothing came back, and we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it because a couple people asked me in the last couple months. Well, probably like 3 months ago, somebody asked, and then somebody messaged me. A couple people messaged me on Instagram, so we're gonna talk about it. Yes, we're gonna be open about it because you never know, your story can help someone. So yeah, we're gonna talk about it if y'all ready to talk about it. But I'm out of here. See y'all later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. It's free. You don't pay anything for it. You can't write it off on your taxes, but it's free, and it's me. Okay, don't forget to follow my TikTok and Instagram. Bye.